I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable crypto trading on Fidelity, follow these straightforward steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your Fidelity account. Begin by accessing your Fidelity account through their website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the trading section. Once logged in, find the trade or trading section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your trading activities. Step 3. Select crypto trading options. In the trading section, look for an option related to cryptocurrency or digital assets. This may be listed under assets or crypto. Step 4. Review and accept terms. Before enabling crypto trading, you may need to review and accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them carefully. Step 5. Enable crypto trading. Finally, toggle the option to enable crypto trading. Once activated, you should be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies through your Fidelity account. Keep in mind that if you don't see the crypto options, it might be due to account restrictions or not having the latest app version. Happy trading!